video. In today's video I will show you how to track the distance which is remaining on your notification as well for our distance tracking app. So first thing first, what I have done is that you might have written this method called calculate distance inside maps fragment. So remove this method from maps fragment and move it to your tracker service. And here you can see like the method is same, like here we are calculating how much distance is remaining, and here also we are updating the notification periodically, and we are calling this update notification periodically as soon as the location keeps get updating. So here you can see the title is distance tracked and the context is how much distance is remaining. So that's what is been calculated over here. So this is one thing. Next thing is I have refactored my result fragment to extend bottom sheet dialog fragment, and this is how the user interface looks like. So I have also imported this share icon which you see from the default vector icons library from Android. So if you want, you can use any SVG icon or vector icon. So this is the UI layout for it. So just a text view over here for distance label, then this text view for distance value. Next is for the time text view, and this text view is for the time value text view. So if you want, you can pause the video and copy this. And the last one is for share, for the share button text view, for the share button, sorry, not text view. Next so this is the SVG icon. So if you are interested, don't copy paste this, like this is by default present inside the Android vector icons library. And next is the nav graph. So here inside the nav graph, what I have changed is, so I have changed this from fragment to dialog. So you just have to refactor it because our result fragment extends from bottom sheet dialog fragment. Now if I show you guys the output, so here I will just start a route inside my emulator. Now I will just click on this location button, okay, and I will click on the start button over here. Now here you can see that it has started plotting the polyline for us. Now if I check my notification, and I'll just, this notification is little different. So here you can see that the distance will keep getting updated as soon as you keep traveling. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.